Turn on push notification for flash deals. So here is how to turn on push notifications to get flash deals. So let's get started. First of all, open the settings app on your mobile device. So this is for iPhone. Once inside the settings app, scroll down and look for the notification option available there and simply tap on it. Once you tap on the notification, you will get to see the list of the apps available below. Now all you have to do is choose the app which gives the flash deals. Make sure flash deals, special offers or promotions are checked in that app. So now all you have to do is tap on that app. So for now, let me just tap on the Burger King option available here. So now tap on the allow notification on, so alerts appear on a lock screen, banners and notification center. You will now receive alerts for flash deals, limited time offers and special discounts directly on your iPhone. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.